What's up guys, I'm back like I never left. In this video we're going to be talking about the major stocks that I covered in the past. I'm going to be doing an update, and I'm also going to be going over a company that could potentially have a massive upside for the future. So make sure you stay tuned. I'm going to cover this important company, what's the potential, and what is going to be happening within this company within the next few days, within the next few weeks. I'm also going to be doing a quick stock market recap, and we're going to go over some important economic reports we need to be watching out for tomorrow. So make sure you stay tuned. Now let's get right into the video. Now I really appreciate if you can hit the like button. If you have any questions, any comments, make sure you drop it in the comment section below. So the first company that I'm going to be talking about is going to be Nndm. So there's a huge news that came out yesterday that the company is going to be doing an offering. So we talked about this company a while back when it has an initial breakout over here like at $2, and it went all the way up to $6, $4, all the way to $9, $10, and eventually we expected they're going to be doing an offering. So because the majority of the time this company really likes to take advantage of the price action of their stock, so they definitely take advantage of that, and they raise a lot of money. So it's really great if you're somebody that wants to hold this company for the long term. They're going to be investing the money they raised for the company for the growth. They're going to be hiring employees, doing more research, and etc. So that's fantastic. So in the short term, if you want to get involved in it, just for a quick day trade or swing trade, this move can definitely have an impact because the stock definitely drops, 7, 10, sometimes even continues to drop, right around over here when they did an offering, it just continues to sell off to the downside. So be on the lookout for that. But I think definitely this company has potential for the future. Even though they do a lot of offering, arkg is heavily invested in this company, and we talked about in detail what the company, what they do, and exactly what is the potential of growth for the future. So definitely check out the previous videos that I posted about this company if you want more detailed breakdown of Nndm. So another company that I'm going to be talking about is going to be an update for Canno. So this is a company also that did a reverse merger and it went public. And the stock actually performed very, very well. It actually broke out and it went all the way to the 52-week high of around $24. And it's actually selling off to the downside. So right now it's pulling back all the way down to $13 to $14 right around over here. So this is the exact price point that the stock broke out. So if you be patient with it, if the stock continues to sell off, this is an ideal dip buying opportunity if you want to get involved in this company. So I also made another video about this company, detailed breakdown of Canno. What is their business plan? They have a very different business approach. They actually do not sell the vehicles, they actually rent them out. So if you want detailed breakdown of what Canno, what they do, what their business plan is, check out the video, a detailed breakdown of that video also. So but ideally if it dips all the way down to $13, even right now you can definitely get involved in it. It has a massive pullback from the 20s all the way down to the mid 10s. So that is fantastic if you want to get involved in it, because definitely you can risk off of the $13 area, but it had a massive breakout to the upside. So, and the other companies that you need to also be watching out for, we talked about them yesterday. These are companies that are involved in Bitcoin. So we have 3 companies that I talked about on yesterday's video. We have the first one, ticker symbol MARA. Now this company broke out today to the upside, up 12% of the upside. We also have CAN and we have MSTR, so these are the companies to be watching out for while we move into 2021. If Bitcoin performs very well, these companies can potentially be going higher and higher. So definitely keep them in the watch list. So as you can see, also CAN has also had a positive day to day. It's up 12%. And MSTR, which is a relatively higher price ticker, this company also broke out to the upside and made an all-time high. So this company also broke out to the upside, and we talked about it, and definitely keep an eye on it for 2021. If Bitcoin continues to move higher and higher, these companies are definitely going to potentially be going up to the upside. So the other important company that I'm going to be talking about is going to be a Spac company, which is BTWN. Now, this company could potentially be doing a merger with the Amazon of Indonesia. So it's still right now, so the rumors, the company is still in talks, so you never know. But of course, if they come out any moment and say that they're going to be taking that company public, the stock can potentially be going higher and breaking out to the upside. So definitely be on the lookout. This is going to be the ticker symbol BTWN. Now, when we talk about Amazon, I know a lot of people they're skeptical about competitors of Amazon in other countries. Let's say, for example, for Jumia, we have a ticker symbol JMIA. Now, this is the Amazon of Africa, and the stock has been performing very well. We covered this company in the past, a few months ago, a while back, and the stock been performing very, very well. It hit all the way to $49 to the upside. So when you look at people and the negative arguments when it comes to these companies, is that Amazon could potentially be expanding to, Africa, to Singapore, to Indonesia. And if they expand, these companies can potentially have a negative impact, So that is one of the negative sides that people actually counter argue before getting involved in these companies. But if you want to get involved in them in the short term, and if you want to just speculate in the short term, get swing trade them and basic day trade them based off of the volatility, you can definitely get involved in them, of course, but in the long term, even if Amazon tries to expand to other countries, to Africa, to Asia, they can potentially be buying these companies, instead of actually competing with them if they like what they see, because these are the companies that are going to have a lot of footprint when it comes to those specific regions in Africa and Asia. So definitely keep an eye on it for Jumia, also for BTW, and it's going to be the Amazon of Indonesia. And if they combine that business plan, if the Spac deal goes through, and if they announce it, the stock price can definitely be going higher. So definitely keep it in your watch list, So now let's talk about what happened to the stock market today. As you can see over here, we have the overall stock market as expected, broke out to the upside, and the leaders today was the NASDAQ. We have Apple, Microsoft, Google, Facebook, Amazon, and they've been breaking out to the upside today. So that's fantastic to have a decent gain. And we also have Disney that is up 2.95% to the upside. So that's fantastic. Disney's been killing it. They have 2 movies that came out. I think Disney has a phenomenal rally the past few days. Disney had a phenomenal rally. They had a movie Disney had a movie that came out, which is Soul. I saw it. It was really fantastic. That was a great movie if you want to look at it for the holidays, if you want to just chill, relax, and if you're tired of all these stock market videos, and if you want to take your mind off and enjoy the 2021 New Year celebration, definitely check out that movie. It's really awesome. I really recommend it. And also you have the other sectors like the financials. We got Visa stock been going up to the upside. JP Morgan, Bank of America, relatively flat today. Nothing really happened. But overall, we have the stock market going up, and the stimulus package being signed definitely helped it out. Of course, if you have another bill, that can potentially increase the amount of money that's being sent out to individuals from $600 to $2,000. So that just passed the House. So now it has to go to the Senate, and it could potentially be approved or declined. That's a huge difference of the amount of money that's being sent out. So that's definitely going to help a lot of people. And if people have a lot of money, they can be able to spend it. And spending, $600 compared to $2,000 is going to have a different impact. So people, if they have a lot of money, they can spend it on different businesses, different companies are going to be benefiting if people have more money to spend. And in return, these companies can be profitable. They can definitely increase their revenue. And that in turn is going to help the stock. And that's in turn is going to help the stock to go higher. So that's going to be one of the important things when you look at when there's stimulus introduced to the stock market. So now let's talk about what are the important economic reports that we need to be watching out for Tuesday. So we have for December 29, 2020, we have the home price index. It's going to be for the period of October. The previous was 7%. So be on the lookout for this economic report. We don't have any other economic reports for tomorrow. So be on the lookout for that. And if you have any questions, any comments, make sure you drop in the comment section below. Make sure you manage this risk. These companies that we talk about, they're definitely risky. They can go up and down significantly to the upside. They may have a very big pullback to the downside. So make sure you manage your risk. And if you have any, questions, any comments, drop in the comment section below. If you want to join the Discord chat, free Discord chat, sign up for Webull. Links available in the description box below. But I catch you guys on tomorrow's video. Let's get it. Have a wonderful day.